Afternoon YouTube, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Buford, Georgia. Right now this is our third job of the day. It's about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12:44. It's one of our repeat clients. We were here about a month ago. As you can see, got some spots there. That's actually from a birthday party they had over the weekend. And they wanted these two areas recleaned. Visible stuff is obviously that right there from cupcakes, and then they got some spillage over here. This is Berber carpet. Again, there's no extra charge for Berber, no per spot fees, things of that nature. It's just a flat rate. So we'll knock this out and see how it looks. Stay tuned. Okay, it's 1:10. We just finished up with this $90 job. It's 10 after 1. It's a two-area job down here. The spot I found out were cupcake, and as you can see, they look a whole lot better. There's still a red tint to it, which is a food dye, which a lot more came out than I expected. The homeowner was extremely happy with the results, which is always the important thing. Everything else looks good. So like I said, we just had these two areas. It was the third job of the day. OMG carpet cleaning, no per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden fees of any kind. Spots are included, odor treatments included. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Again, that's omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching. Be kind to one another and take care, and we'll see you next time.